Waiting good out here. Just that gold ass sunshine. That winter sunshine. It's not that cold actually, but it's kinda cold. Life is suffering, huh? What you think, raw chicken? Did you have to suffer a lot to be eaten by me at the end? But when I eat you, you cure my suffering. Thanks, raw chicken. You the best. So life is suffering. Biggest cope of all time, or not? You kind of start to realize you depend too much on everybody else. And when shit don't go your way because of other people, you take actions, your own feelings, to your own hands and to your own heart. You take full responsibility how you feel. So you start to meditate your ass to the enlightenment. Just ignore all this worldly shit. This is where what many spiritual teaching is all about. Stoicism also. Just become stoic. Ignore all these other people and your senses that you need the other people for certain things to be happy. And just start practicing your willpower, your dedication, hard work, meditate, all day, every day. All these practices to reach this enlightenment. Couple people talked about when everything is just bliss. You just merge into pure love and escape the suffering, the hellhole this earth is. But you have to go against your own senses quite a bit. It seems kinda hard work to reach that shit. And ever thought about survivor bias? How many did not reach the enlightenment? They were just delusional as fuck. How do you even know if somebody reaches enlightenment? If you reach enlightenment? Or do you just become completely crazy? Insane person? Because your delusions are out there in the fake ass moon. Why it feels so freaking good to connect with other people. You don't have to force anything. It just flows like a water. Be like water, my friend. But this bitch is fucking throwing rocks on my water. Splashing my water all around. Thanks, society. I'm just trying to flow here. But especially if you have a loving relationship, that shit is the best. And it feels so good. Highlights of being a human being, being in love. But you depend on the other person. He or she can also hurt you to the deepest bits of hell. Shamble your heart into pieces. And people say that the suffering or the pain, it's much larger in quantity compared to the good ass feelings you get. So what if that pain and suffering, maybe that other person doesn't fuck you over? Ever thought about that? Everything kinda goes smoothly. I've seen people like that many times. But it is true, if you get involved into this relationship that involves some deep feelings of love, and then you get heartbroken, that leaves kinda sour taste on your mouth. It is kinda a lot of suffering, a lot of trauma. And the pain seems to be much higher at that point than the love was. Nobody makes it out here as a virgin because life fucks all us up. I think that was Kurt Cobain. He seemed real depressed. A lot of suffering in his state of being. But why? Some people seem to have paradise out here. And do you achieve it with all these asceticism or spiritual awakening route? Is that the route to go for the paradise? Or is it to follow this place? And this place that you have inside of you, and what does that tell you? Think about that. See you in the next one.